The Amalfi Coast, renowned for its natural beauty and picturesque landscapes, unfolds like a dream along the southern edge of Italy's Sorrentine Peninsula in the Campania region. This 50-kilometer stretch of coastline captivates travelers with its sheer cliffs, rugged shoreline, and small beaches tucked into secluded coves. Pastel-colored fishing villages dot the landscape, creating a scene reminiscent of a romantic artist's masterpiece. As you journey along the coastal road between the port city of Salerno and cliff-top Sorrento, you'll be treated to grand vistas of terraced vineyards, cliffside lemon groves, and magnificent villas. Mount Ravello's steep slopes are adorned with sun-washed villages and fragrant orange groves, competing for attention with ancient vineyards that cling to the hillsides. The Amalfi Coast is an extravagantly beautiful destination, offering a glimpse of rugged coastal charm at the edge of the Sorrentine Peninsula in Campania, Italy. Travelers can explore the region via the typical Mediterranean coastal road, soaking in the majesty of the landscape. Alternatively, hiking trails wind through old villages, offering spectacular views and leading to quaint local restaurants and tavernas. Sicily Island, another picturesque landscape, beckons travelers with its own unique allure. To discover more about Sicily's natural beauty, a separate video delves into 8 compelling reasons to visit this stunning island. The allure of the Amalfi Coast has endured through the ages, attracting visitors since the times of the Greeks and Romans. Over the years, it has perfected the art of hospitality, earning renown for its exceptional restaurants and hotels. These establishments thrive on the abundance of locally grown produce, enhancing the culinary experience for visitors. For those seeking renowned destinations around the globe, the Amalfi Coast stands as an unparalleled marvel, inviting exploration and enchantment amidst its breathtaking scenery. Don't forget to be among the first to leave a like on this video and subscribe to trending updates for a chance to see more marvels that continue to inspire excitement.